Hey, good evening. This is Jared with Carbon Digital, and today we're going to do an updated version of a DNS setup for a email address. Now, this is going to be specific to a situation where you're paying for a service like Microsoft or Google, and then from there, we're going to go through setting up the DNS and getting all of that activated so that you can create an email account. It's really easy to do. It's copy and paste a couple of things, and then you're ready to go. So let's dive right in. Okay. So I've got some couple of tabs pulled up here. The first one is Squarespace. This domain I'm using here was migrated from Google. Not too happy about that, but that's a video for another day. So here we're in the domain area. We're gone to DNS, and now we're at the DNS settings. So basically, we're just going to click add record and add a couple of informational records. Okay. So once you pay for the service, you're just going to go into there and add a domain. And then for this one, the domain is tackle.com. Cool. Use this domain. And so this is going to be pretty much exactly the same for everyone, no matter who you're using. You're going to have to add DNS records. So we're going to add a text record. For reference, this is Microsoft 365. So here we're adding this record for ownership. So the root domain, the text value, and the timeline. So we're going to copy this text value and come back over here, add record. I don't know what Squarespace does here, so we're going to find out. Text record, value, save. That's probably because of this. Probably supposed to be that. And save. Okay. So that means that we can't use Squarespace for this example. Okay. Let me check my VPS. See if I got another domain I can use. I'm also going to check Google domains. They have sold their entire domain registrar organization over to what's it called? Squarespace. That's why they're migrating our stuff over to Squarespace. These Data Smith. Did I already set up Data Smith? I don't think so. Boom, boom. Domains. Data Smith is not here. Okay. So I will add a domain. Datasmith.net. Use this domain. Then we are going to set up a text record. All right, continue. They're going to provide us the text record. And then I'm going to move this tab over so you guys can see it. All right. There we go. I can get rid of Squarespace. So this is Datasmith. And we're using custom name servers. Exciting. So that means that's not going to work. Let me check my VPS. Boom, 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 boom. Datasmith. There we go. So now we're cooking with burnt grease. Okay. I have a cPanel account for this domain. All right. So Microsoft says add this text record. Okay. We go into cPanel. We go into zone editor for this domain, manage, and you add a record. It's type text. For cPanel, you have to use the actual domain. It's not like GoDaddy where you can just do this. So there is the text record. 1641. Yep. Save. Boom, boom. This works. Verify access. And then once they recognize that you own this domain, then they're going to give you a couple of more records to manually add as well. Sweet. So open these three up. We have an MX record, which is for your email. So here we already have one created by default. So we'll just update the destination. Easy day. And you can see as we go through here, it's pretty easy to do. So that's MX CNAME record. This is auto discover. That means a subdomain of auto discover. So let's see if we already have one. Auto discover right there. Edit. Boom. Change that to a CNAME and save. Easy day. Text record, the root domain. Here's the value. So we're going to find our text record from before and add this to it and save. And easy day, continue. So this is going to go look for those DNS records and it's going to go check to see all of them are there. And this text record, got it. So that means take that out. Easy day. So I'll take this and just replace that and delete this, save, continue. You can see that is now all done. Click done. And now this domain shows up in my account. So now I can go to users and I can create a user, which is an email address. Sorry, I got a microphone in my way. Jared at, that's not refreshed yet. There it is, Datasmith. That's why. Datasmith, easy day. Just gonna call this Jared, and then I can deal with that later. Oh my goodness. Password. Okay, next. And then here we can assign a license. So with Microsoft, you can buy a license separate from creating an email address and interchange those between one another as needed. So if you just created your account, you're going to have a license. If not, then you'll have to create a user without and then go buy it and add it later. But it's pretty easy to do. All of that's added, email address created. Not too complicated. It might seem complicated if you're scared of technology, if you've never done this type of thing before, but it really is just copy and paste. So if you guys have any questions, concerns, comments, complaints, send them over. We'll do what we can to help you guys out. Take it easy.